teachers, parents, alumni, and the esteemed guests. A very warm and happy morning to each one of you and happy Independence Day to all. Today, an important occasion, a momentous occasion in the history of India where we celebrate reclaiming the freedom, reclaiming the rights, and reclaiming the integrity. Today is the day which reminds us of the sacrifices of the past and also urges us to take action for the present as well as for the future. Dear all, I say that today on this glorious occasion of Independence Day, we all need to reflect on what is the meaning of being independent, and we need to understand the significance of being free. When it comes to the freedom, it's not just what we can do. That is what independence means. Independence is not just like freedom to what we want to do, but I must say that it is the freedom to act, freedom to speak up, freedom to respond to a given situation. And I, as an Indian, I must say that we need to take up the responsibility. Our forefathers sacrificed their lives, their struggle and sacrifices enabled us to get this freedom which we cherish today. But now it's our duty to see to it that we work for a better India. I must add over here that we are free today, but the task is still not complete. We all, as a student, as a teacher, as a parent, as a responsible citizen, we all need to take up the responsibility of making India a better India. Dear students, to start with, I would like to talk to you all. You all are the future of our great nation. You all are the creators, you all are the thinkers, you are the innovators. And I want you all to take up the responsibility to start with. Hopes. We have high hopes when it comes to you all students. And I want you all to take up this responsibility. Now the question arises, as a student, what can we do now? I must add over here, whatever little bit, it may be a small thing, but put in your best in whatever you do. And to start with, focus on your studies, acquire knowledge, and focus on academic excellence. That is what we expect from you all. You are the future leader, you are the future thinker, you are the future innovator student. And I want you all to take up the responsibility because we have high hopes that we will have a better India and the onus lies on you all. Dear teachers, would like to talk to you all as well. You all are the architects of the future and a better India. And as teachers, you shape the heart and the mind of these children. And I want you all to continue with the same passion with which you are working at Universal. I want you all to be passionate, have the passion to work for the better India, and for that, I would like you all to take up, you all to take up the responsibility, and each one of you are doing a noble job, but continue with the same passion. And since the responsibility lies on us, the teachers and the facilitators, I think we need to shoulder this responsibility and see to it that these children who are the future citizens of our country, we need to mold them, we need to shape them in a good personality so that we have a better India. I come to the parents over here. Dear parents, we as parents have to support and encourage these children. Our duty is to give them what they need. But I must add over there, we need to go beyond that. Just providing them with what they need is not enough. We need to keep motivating them. We need to keep supporting them, encouraging them whenever they need us. And I must add over here, the parents are the one who are said to be the first teacher for these children. And I accept that you as a parent are doing a great job. Continue doing the same for a better future. When it comes to all of us together, the student, teachers, parents, and the responsible citizens, I must add that we all must do whatever best we can do for our beloved country. Let's not just indulge in festivities today. Let's celebrate His freedom every day and every moment. Let's all have pride in being an Indian and do something for our country. It could be doing our job honestly, taking care of our children, or it could be just, giving these kids the values like honesty, integrity, which is the need of the hour. So I call upon each one of you standing over here to actually, think on this line and have a gratitude towards the forefathers who enabled us to be free today, one thing. But along with that, ponder upon one aspect, and that is what I can do for the country. We will come and go, but what we can do for the country and what we should do for our country, we need to think on that line and really work on that. And I must add over here, whether it's my academic staff, whether it's my admin staff, whether you students and whether you parents, we all need to come together and need to enjoy this freedom and work for a better future. And I must add over here, better tomorrow starts today and it starts here. Right, children? It starts here. Parents, it starts here. Teachers, it starts here. So if we want a better tomorrow for us, we need to start today and start now, I must say. Jai Hind and Happy Independence Day to all of you once again. Thank you.